all-natural daily shower cleaner with essential oils. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. We all love a refreshing shower to make us feel great, and the natural daily shower cleaner is the focus of this video. What is a natural daily shower cleaner, and what is its use as well as its effects? With the fourth pandemic wave already here, health and wellness has become a major topic once more. Bathroom cleaning is one aspect that needs to be taken care of, and since there are still a few restrictions for hiring professional cleaners, learning to do it yourself is a good idea. What are the likely recipes for homemade daily shower cleaner? This is not as far-fetched as many think. They are things you might even have at home and are unaware of their effectiveness in making the DIY shower cleaner. The recipes that are required are not toxic ones. Not only that, they are easy to mix and use on the walls of the bathroom. It can be mixed on the walls and scrubbed within a few moments by anyone, including your kids. DIY Daily Shower Spray. It is another simple recipe to keep your bathroom walls sparkling clean. It can be applied immediately after you are through with your bathing, or while you are still in the bathroom. It is versatile because you don't need to wipe it off or scrub it. It is simple to use because it requires spraying it on the wall and leaving it to finish its work by itself. Rest assured of its effectiveness against any buildup on your wall as a result of hard water. The work of deep cleaning can be done by starting with your shower walls. It takes just a little effort because it involves only spraying. First, begin with a clean shower and apply it to the walls to get the best result. The results are always fantastic. What are the best ingredients for daily shower cleaner? Vinegar. Vinegar is one of the best agents of daily shower cleaners. This is because vinegar contains a high acidity that can dissolve any soap scum, soap residues, and other mineral deposits. Although vinegar comes in different colors, white is the best one for daily shower cleaners because of its potency. However, it is not recommended for granite, marble, or other natural stone surfaces. Castile soap. When talking about the wonders of daily shower cleaners, Castile soap is one of the things that do the magic. It is strong to remove any speck of dirt, bacteria, or soap scum, among other things. As Castile soap is known to be made of sunflower seed, jojoba, hemp, and other ingredients, it is potent to give the best results. Alcohol. It is also referred to as isopropyl alcohol. This is one of the best ingredients for making a daily shower cleaner, especially if it contains a higher percentage of alcohol. It is considered very effective for cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. When it is added with water as essential oil and a fresh scent, the result is superb. As much as it is ideal for cleaning, users need to cover their nose while using it because of its strong smell that is capable of making users feel uncomfortable. Essential oils. Another thing that can be used is essential oils themselves. They are reliable for the best result as well when it comes to cleaning and purifying. To get the best result, users can opt for the citrus oils lemon or the tea tree. They are powerful for natural cleaning. They are easy to use and cheap to purchase. The homemade daily shower cleaner. To achieve this feat, users need alcohol, water, Castile soap, and vinegar ingredients. These combinations are highly effective in giving the best and the most needed results for cleaning. The best way to store your homemade daily shower cleaner is by using a glass container. Also, a metal container can be used in the absence of a glass container. Ingredients. You need half a cup of white vinegar, 1/2 a cup of alcohol, Also, 1 teaspoon of liquid or Castile soap and 8 or more drops of lemon essential oil. In addition to that, you need 3 cups of water and a glass spray bottle for easy dispersion. Step-by-step making of the DIY. Instructions. You start by adding all of the ingredients in the expected quantities in a glass spray bottle. Cover it tightly and shake it thoroughly. When it has soaked well, disperse it on the wall and allow it to sit on it for some minutes. Making the Vinegar Daily Shower Cleaner. Ingredients needed. To make it, you need half a cup of alcohol, a teaspoon of Castile soap. You can also use liquid dish soap if you have one. Also, you need to add 8 or drops of lemon essential oil and 2 cups of water. Instructions on preparation. First, add all the ingredients you have got into your glass spray and cover it tightly. After that, shake it thoroughly and spray it on the wall. Leave it for some minutes till all it sits well on the wall. It can be used on a white marble. Users need to be aware that daily shower cleaner is not the best approach when a deep cleaning is required. It is only ideal for maintenance. If you desire to use it for a deeper cleaning, you will need to involve scrubbing by yourself to penetrate well. This is because the duty of a daily shower is just for cleaning in between the actual cleaning. Therefore, if your shower is already in bad shape, you will first need to do a thorough cleaning before using the daily shower spray on it. That helps to keep your shower walls in the perfect shape. It is not only for the bathroom walls. It works perfectly for glass cleaning as well. All you need is to get a microfiber material and get the best result. To keep it in the best state for a long time, keep it in an airtight dark-colored glass container away from the rays of the sun. This helps to keep its potency and its aroma for a long time. These natural approaches to shower cleaning do more for you than those chemical alternatives. Keep your home clean and safe for both you and your loved ones. If you need to make inquiries, ask for recommendations, or see advice from us at FastKlean, do well to reach out, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Want more tips? Check out our previous video, 5 must-know safety measures for cleaners. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.